Hey y'all, I don't know much about snow and ice and cold weather since I'm from the Texas Gulf Coast, but y'all look at my back door. Well, this is the glass screen door type thingy. And look, it's on the inside. I told y'all this house has leaks and electricity's been off forever, and it is cold in here. At least that's on the outside. I'll open the back door and let you look out. Oh, mate, good gosh. The wind is blowing hard. That's fine. Look out there. I can't get it open. Look down there. I can't hardly get this door. Look at my trash can and my barbecue pit. Oh, and my house. I'm shutting the door. Look out in the backyard. Oh, it's blowing good out there. All right, that's enough for now. That's enough for a lifetime.